Today we're tackling a question we get all the time. Can you actually use Microsoft 365 on a Chromebook? Short answer is yes. So here's a video to show you how to get started. Titles! Now before we dive in, one quick thing. Unlike Windows or Mac, Chromebooks don't install the full desktop Office apps. Instead, you use the web versions through your browser of choice. No need to fear though, because these are surprisingly powerful and allow you to get your Office on wherever you can connect to the internet. Also, if you're using a school-managed or work-managed Chromebook, some features like installing the Office Android apps or signing into personal accounts might be blocked by your IT admin. And if that's you, don't worry, it's not broken, it's just very locked down. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you're gonna need is a Microsoft account. This is where all of your subscriptions will live, including Microsoft 365. If you don't have one, no stress. Just head to account.microsoft.com, click Create Account, and follow the steps. You can use any email here. You can use Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, even that embarrassing one that you made when you were 12. Yeah, Microsoft won't judge. I might, but Microsoft won't. Now let's talk activation. If you already have a Microsoft 365 subscription, head on over to office.com, where signing in automatically unlocks all the premium features. You'll know it's activated if you can edit documents here, save to OneDrive, and use fancy features in all of your apps like PowerPoint Designer. And if you don't have a subscription, no problem. You can buy one directly from Microsoft at microsoft.com/Microsoft 365 and signing in with your Microsoft account that you want to link Microsoft 365 to. Then just choose the plan for you, whether personal or family, and complete the checkout. Personal if you want to buy just for you, or family if you're thinking about sharing those sweet apps and OneDrive storage out with those closest to you so that they can use them on their phones, tablets, or Windows, Mac, or Chrome OS devices. Check out this video for more on that. What about if you bought Microsoft 365 at a store or an online retailer and got a 25-digit product key? Then simply go to microsoft365.com/setup. Sign in with your Microsoft account, enter the code, and your subscription activates instantly. Here's a pro tip. If your Chromebook supports Android apps, you can also install mobile app versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint from the Google Play Store, and then sign in with your Microsoft account. And they will be here for you to use. They're great with just enough features for quick edits on the fly, or if the Wi-Fi isn't Wi-Fiing where you are currently at. And that's it, Microsoft 365 activated and ready to roll on your Chromebook. Now if this video has helped, hit like and subscribe and tell us which app is your fave. Mine's PowerPoint, because who doesn't love an epic transition, right? I've been Matt, you've been watching Microsoft Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace!